Hey everyone, I'm Jordan with Citywide Mortgage Services, your personal mortgage planner. Well, this has been another incredibly challenging week as we Canadians come together to fight off the spread of COVID-19. People are feeling really stressed out financially and mentally, and the virus has been a hugely humbling experience for us all as it has no filter on who it affects. So as a result, every day is bringing with it blockbuster news of what is being done by the federal and provincial governments to help Canadians deal with the economic impact and stress brought on by this pandemic. More than 40% of Canadians are worried about where their next mortgage or rent payment comes from, or how they're going to pay the bills. As we know, there have been massive layoffs and stunning losses in the stock market, and just a general uncertainty of what lies ahead. In addition to an $82 billion emergency response package brought out by the federal government, banks and lenders are also providing mortgage payment deferrals for up to 6 months. The BC government has just announced a plan to support renters and landlords, including a province-wide rent freeze starting April the 1st, and the launch of $500 per month rent subsidy program with payments going directly to landlords. And in this case, banks and lenders have been overwhelmed by the tens of thousands of phone calls and emails they've received in reaction to the mortgage deferral payment program, but they have been working tirelessly to answer your calls and answer all the inquiries that are being made of them. So please do be patient at this time. If you have any questions about what your lender provides or how to get in touch with them, please give me a call, send me an email, I can certainly help. Another way that you may be able to provide yourself some comfort or a buffer is to consider refinancing or restructuring your mortgage, and I'd be happy to go over those options with you. The Prime Minister also has announced an emergency response benefit cash infusion for people who've lost their income. Those who qualify will get $2,000 per month, and you'll be able to apply for that early April, and they are saying that you're going to receive the cash within 10 days. The benefit is paid every 4 weeks and is designed to last up to 4 months and will end October 3rd of 2020. Today, we had a huge announcement for businesses. Banks are going to provide loans up to $40,000 interest-free for 1 year, and this is for small businesses, in addition to a payroll support of 75% for employee wages in the hopes that businesses will keep their employees on or hire them back. So what's happening with mortgage rates? In another announcement this morning, the Bank of Canada cut its key lending interest rate another 0.5 percentage point, bringing it down to just 0.25%. And this comes after a full percent drop just over the past couple of weeks. And this 1% drop was passed along to lenders who then dropped prime rate to 2.95%. So if you currently hold a variable rate mortgage or a line of credit, this impacts those. Your rate automatically resets, so there's nothing you need to do. Now, what's going on with fixed rates? Well, they're all over the place, and they have definitely seen an increase in the past week or two. Already gone are those rock bottom prices, but they still are very comparatively low. Now, with this announcement today of the Bank of Canada rate cut, are we going to see lenders pass along this discount again, or pass along this drop to prime rate? We're not sure, but what we did see them do initially was decrease the discount from prime. So we're now seeing variable rate mortgages that are at prime, or I'm even seeing, prime plus 10. So they have certainly cut those variable rate discounts that we saw again just a couple of weeks ago. And finally, for those people who are in the middle of purchasing or closing a home, There's definitely been some concern about how that process is going to get completed. But it's really important that you work with your team right now. Being prepared is the key. So first thing, make sure you have ample time to get an approval and to remove your subjects. So at minimum, up to 14 business days. And alternative measures are being taken by realtors and appraisers, lawyers, to make sure that our real estate transactions are happening. Finally, I'm going to be sending this out via an email blast. I'm going to provide you with the links to all of these government programs, as well as one to lender contact lists. I'm sorry this has been such a long Mortgage Minute, but there is definitely so much news to catch you up on. I'm definitely open for business, so make sure to reach out, give me a call if you have any questions or if I can be of any help. Stay safe and healthy, everyone. Until next week.